Fire is an ever-present danger on an offshore drilling or production platform. Sprinkler systems are designed to suppress the flames, giving the crew time to initiate firefighting and/or platform abandonment procedures. These vital systems have to be designed to function properly, even many years after installation. But a corrosive saltwater environment can make a critical sprinkler system unreliable. Typically, a sprinkler system remains dry with saltwater contained behind deluge flood valves until activated. Conventional carbon steel sprinkler piping may sit unprotected in a corrosive atmosphere for years before it is needed. While the OD of this pipe is maintained by cleaning and painting over its service life, internal corrosion will progress unobserved and untreated. When this sprinkler system is activated, the incoming rush of water will flush rust and corrosion forward to the sprinkler head, where scale will quickly block the flow of water and render the sprinkler system useless. Fire mains are regularly flushed to minimize this problem, but the sprinkler system itself is difficult to flush. Cooling water systems, fire mains, and deluge systems intermittently exposed to salt water during regular tests experience even more rapid corrosion. In time, the entire system can become undependable. Although initially inexpensive, carbon steel piping can be expected to double its installation cost in maintenance expense over a 20-year life cycle. It will also require complete replacement as often as every 7 years in a highly corrosive environment. Exotic materials like stainless steel or 9010 copper-nickel piping are less affected by corrosion, but these systems can be 3 to 4 times the cost and may require special welding techniques for installation. Coated steel pipe only partially solves corrosion issues, since joints, fittings, and flanges present numerous sites for potential discontinuities in the coating and subsequent corrosion. Considering its life cycle cost, metallic piping has proven to be costly for saltwater systems. When coupled with the safety issue of internal corrosion, the use of metallic piping in critical fire safety systems seems to deserve some rethinking. Ameron International is a worldwide manufacturer of a comprehensive line of ISO 9001 compliant fiberglass pipe products for the oil field, chemical, industrial, offshore, and marine industries. Ameron has developed a line of fiberglass pipe for saltwater and fire protection systems that offered many advantages over steel and exotic alloy piping systems. Ameron Bond Strand fiberglass piping is engineered to be strong, lightweight, and completely corrosion resistant. Bond Strand fiberglass piping may be factory assembled in sections to reduce on-site installation costs, or contractor personnel trained by one of our supervisors may join it on location. Available with flanges or quick lock bell and spigot fittings that have been proven in over 25 years of offshore applications, Ameron Bond Strand piping systems are joined with high-strength adhesives that produce a bond that is actually stronger than the pipe itself. Bond Strand Series 2000M piping for general offshore service is available in diameters from 1 to 40 inches. It is designed to withstand continuous operating pressures of up to 300 psi at 200 degrees Fahrenheit and is typically used in deck drains, cooling water, seawater utilities, potable water, and wet firefighting systems. To provide a safer offshore firewater system, particularly for deep-water platforms, Ameron introduced the PSX filament-wound polysiloxane phenolic piping system to withstand a hydrocarbon fire. Siloxane modification enhances phenolic resin to improve elasticity and overcome brittleness associated with phenolics. It also provides higher impact resistance and enhanced UV resistance. Ameron Bond Strand PSX products will not contribute to a fire. In enclosed spaces, most fatalities in a fire are caused by inhalation of toxic fumes produced by burning materials. At high temperature, Bond Strand PSX products generate very little smoke and minimal toxic fumes, making PSX products ideal for use in living quarters. Bond Strand PSX L3 is available in sizes from 1 inch to 16 inches. It exceeds the IMO for International Maritime Organization Fire Endurance Test. Rated to Level 3 and UCOA compliant for wet fire protection systems, this product is rated from full vacuum to 225 psi. Tested here to 1100 degrees Celsius for a period of 30 minutes, PSX L3 maintains full pressure under even these demanding conditions. Bondstrand PSX JF is designed to endure a fierce offshore hydrocarbon jet fire at 1100 degrees Celsius. In the UCOA jet fire tests for dry deluge fire protection systems, the pipe and fittings are exposed to a jet fire for 5 minutes dry, followed by flowing water through the test sample for 15 minutes at 150 psi and 1100 degrees Celsius. This creates a heat flux of 300 kilowatts per hour and consumes 5 kilograms of propane per hour. Ameron Bondstrand products have proven to be the safe, economical solution for critical offshore piping. From a design standpoint, our products offer a number of unusual advantages. Bondstrand products absorb pump vibration, reducing noise and mechanical wear. Flange compatibility to steel allows Bondstrand products to be integrated into an existing system. These products can handle system velocities well in excess of 30 feet per second and surges up to 1.5 times rated pressure, making it ideal for deluge applications. In summary, the choices in offshore piping are these: steel, exotic metals, and fiberglass. When the life cycle cost of piping is reviewed, the real cost of steel piping is in its regular maintenance and replacement. Exotic materials such as stainless steel and copper nickel do not require as much maintenance, but their installed cost is high. Conventional fiberglass piping requires field-applied insulation to meet specifications, meaning additional installation time, considerable mess, and expense. Ameron products do not require a field-applied coating. They are delivered ready to install from the factory. They are engineered to meet the requirements of API, ANSI B31.3, and ASTM standard F1173. They are accepted by the U.S. Coast Guard and certified by ABS, Lloyd's, DNV, and Bureau Veritas. Ameron Bondstrand fiberglass piping offers greater safety, near zero maintenance and replacement cost over a projected 20-year lifespan, as well as reduced installation time and fully certified performance in critical applications. Contact your Ameron representative for more information on specific products, installation, and engineering services. Our engineering team and polymer chemists will work with your engineers and piping designers to produce a detailed solution for your applications. Ameron has the solution.